So today, got a special treat. We're going to make Caldo de Pescado, kind of one of my favorites. So I'm gonna jump in my car and we're going to head out to the store and get the fish and all the ingredients needed, and you're gonna follow me along. I'm gonna take you for the ride. Well, we gotta wear a mask to get in here. So I'm gonna try to do this, and I'm using my headset microphone so that way you guys can hear me better. But with this mask, I can't wear my glasses. This mask, I can't wear my glasses. It fogs up right away. So, fog it up. All right, let's take a look at where I go. All right, so we're inside now. Gonna make my way over to the fish section. And it's a pretty good place. It's a Filipino market. So it has all the goodies from the Philippines. But at the same time, they have fresh fish, which is great. So, I also buy stuff here, like when I make hot wings. It's really nice. Get some good spices out here. I'm just walking behind these guys, so kind of wait. All right, let's take a look at the fish selection that we have. So we got plenty of fish on ice and squid and big old jumbo shrimps. What I'm looking for is catfish. Let's take a look. Oh, there they are. Found them. And they got a lot of, they're right there. We got a lot of them. Now, aside from having like stuff that you gotta pack yourself, I mean, they got stuff that's pre-packed already, ready to go too. So that's always on scallops. Oh no, fish balls. Oh, check that out. Pretty cool. Subtle fish balls. Yeah, but how about that? And then you got, hey, look, pokey, ready to go. Now I'm back in the fish area, and I just saw this, glimpsed over it, I guess, but they got parrotfish here. I don't know if you've ever seen one, but when I'm playing, was that Amazon Crossing? It was Amazon, no, it was called Animal Crossing. They got, you catch parrotfish, and now I understand why they call it parrotfish. Let's take a look. So that, my friend, is a parrotfish. Check that out, around the lips. It's got a coloration there. Look at that pattern. It's pretty neat. They're all kind of like have different patterns on their skin, or their scale. Whoa, what is that thing? Look at that. Alright, so that thing with the big bulging eyes is looking at, that is a rough eye fish. And if you play Animal Crossing and you ever wanted to know how big a carpfish is, there is a carpfish right there. Look at the size of that. And this right here, my friend, is yellowtail. A whole yellowtail tuna, right? Isn't that gnarly? And the gentleman right here is putting out some fresh tilapia, or frozenly fresh, because these are frozen, and now they're fresh. All right, I called my number, got my fish, cut up into pieces, and it's ready now. Got to go do the COVID shuffle in line, 6 feet apart, single line, wait till they call me.